My name is Lee Farbris. I'm the Managing Partner of Orange River Wealth and the CEO of Orange River Capital.
My name is Mark Bailey, Head of Business Development at Orange River Wealth.
Orange River Capital preferential shares have a fixed dividend of 15% per annum, with the investment term being maximum 5 years, whereby we'll be taking the company public with a conservative valuation equating to a 300% return on capital, of course in addition to that fixed dividend. Now is certainly the time to invest and actually take advantage of our Series A shares at a discounted price of 25 cents per share before the increase to 32 cents per share on our Series B issue.
This represents an opportunity to be involved early. That's the key in what is widely considered as one of the high growth markets of the next decade. The investment itself delivers industry-leading returns based on a proven revenue model that's already operational. And in addition, as everyone can see, all cannabis companies that have listed on the London Stock Exchange have at least tripled in value since flotation. It's undoubtedly the right time to be part of this industry.
Well, actually the risk factors are actually very limited. The cultivation facility is already operational, it's post-revenue. It is one of 5 fully licensed and regulated facilities in South Africa, providing actually a first mover advantage. Furthermore, it has 0 external debts, with the founding shareholders providing all capital investments to date, further de-risking this opportunity for our investors.
There are many reasons actually why this is the right time to invest in medicinal cannabis, but I think primarily the last 5 years we've seen the end of a century of global prohibition of cannabis, and there's now over 60 countries embracing a fully legal cannabis industry. As such, we believe this represents the very best opportunity to take advantage of this high growth market. This is the right time to invest.
My name is Brilene Chitsunke. I'm the CEO of El Paso and CEO of Greengrow Capital. And my background is molecular medicine, biotechnology, and more importantly, a farmer.
Hello, I'm Sean, head cultivator at El Paso Farms. With pharmaceutical cannabis, we've done a deep journey into finding out the scientific side of cannabis. Our background comes in very important as we were trained at MG Health Lesotho, the first EU GMP site in Africa.
I decided to cultivate medical cannabis as a way of helping a lot of people in terms of like the challenges that we faced with now. As you know that a lot of these synthetic drugs are giving a lot of side effects, and doing the medicinal cannabis with all the benefits that it comes with would be something that would actually help a lot of people. We know that very well that issues of like stress and post-traumatic syndrome disorders, and we're talking about epilepsy, and we're talking about pain, insomnia, a whole lot of ailments that are actually helped by the medicinal cannabis.
Cultivating medical cannabis is a really sterile and clean environment needed. We need to keep consistency and pests and disease out of our grow spaces. We cultivate cannabis in a very sterile methods with SOPs. Following procedures is one of the methods we do to keep this cannabis consistent year-round.
As from the Greengrow Capital, which is a holding company, El Paso Farms owns the license, and that is regulated by by SAPRA, which is the regulatory body of the Health Department of South Africa. So you need to get the license, which we've now obtained successfully, and you need to ensure that you've got all your SOPs up to date and everything else that comes with it. You need to do your regular analyticals, and then that involves like water testing your humidity levels, your soils, your nutrients, and all amongst the likes that are supplied by suppliers that have actually got also COAs for their products. So that also has helped a great deal.
With investment, we can then build pharmaceutical laboratories and pharmaceutical processing facilities to really make sure that our product gets clean and tested and consistent through the growing period as well as right to the customer's end. With investment comes all types of upgrades, which are not possible in the current environment with cannabis being so new in the market. Investment can really increase the quality of the cannabis and also yield per square meter.
I think so far so good. We are on the right path and we pride ourselves in what we're doing and we're happy with what we're doing. And I think being the champions on the continent, being among the first 3 licenses that were issued in South Africa, we have something to be very proud of, and I'm really proud of that.